Are you doing hundreds of crunches, drinking detox water and doing endless cardio, but फिर भी आपका belly fat नहीं जा रहा? That's because most people are trying to lose belly fat the wrong way. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nitika Anand. I'm a certified fitness trainer and a nutrition coach, and I have been training women from past 8 years now. So आज की वीडियो में I am going to explain you how belly fat actually works and the science backed way to lose it. So कोई gimmicks नहीं है, कोई crash diets नहीं है, just real science. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what actually works. Let's face the truth first. You cannot spot reduce fat. This is the biggest myth in the fitness industry. You cannot burn fat from one specific area. For example, अगर रोज क्रंचेस करने से belly fat burn होता, तो जो लोग रोज ab workout करते हैं, they all would have a flat belly. But they don't. Why? Because fat loss happens from the entire body and not one specific area. Your body decides where fat goes first and from where it leaves last. So usually the sequence is face, arms, chest, belly and hips. So belly fat जो होता है, that is the most stubborn fat. First, let's understand belly fat. So belly fat दो टाइप का होता है. First is the subcutaneous fat and second is the visceral fat. Subcutaneous fat वो होता है जो आपकी स्किन के अंडर होता है. This is the fat which you can easily pinch. Visceral fat आपके organs के around होता है. This fat is more dangerous. You cannot see it clinically. To know about this fat, you have to undergo either DEXA scan or in-body analysis. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that visceral fat increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes and metabolic disorders. So belly fat lose karna is not only about aesthetics, it is also about health. So how to lose belly fat? Factor 1 is calorie balance. This is the biggest factor in fat loss. So if you consume more calories than what your body burns, it will lead to fat gain. And if you consume fewer calories than what your body burns, it will lead to fat loss. This is called as calorie deficit. अब इसको एक सिंपल से एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझते हैं कि अगर आपकी रोज की कैलोरी रिक्वायरमेंट 2000 कैलोरीज पर डे है, बट आप 1600 to 1700 कैलोरीज खा रहे हो, then your body will start using the stored fat for energy. And this also includes the belly fat. But the main point to be noted here is you should understand from where those calories are coming from. If it is completely from carbohydrates and very less protein and fat, then obviously you will not attain fat loss. But अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा extreme calories cut कर दोगे, that can lead to backfire. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that extreme calorie deficit slows down metabolism. इसीलिए sustainable calorie deficit works best for fat loss. Factor 2 is strength training. अब बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि fat loss is equal to endless cardio, but strength training is extremely powerful. इसका reason ये है because muscle increases your metabolism. मसल एक मेटाबॉलिकली एक्टिव ऑर्गन है. सो जब आप स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करते हो, यू बिल्ड मसल एंड यू बर्न कैलोरीज इवन व्हेन यू आर रेस्टिंग, कंपेयर टू कार्डियो जहां आप कैलोरीज तभी बर्न करते हो जब तक आपकी कार्डियो एक्टिविटी चल रही होती है. रिसर्च फ्रॉम द जर्नल ऑफ अप्लाइड फिजियोलॉजी शोज रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेनिंग इंक्रीजेस फैट लॉस एंड इम्प्रूव्स बॉडी कॉम्पोजिशन. अब इसको एक सिंपल से एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझते हैं. There are two people who want to lose 5 kg. Person A endless cardio करता है for a month to lose 5 kg, and in this event he loses more muscle than fat, and maybe by the end of 1 month he loses 5 kg weight. But at the end of 1 month वो बहुत lean और बहुत malnourished दिखेगा because he has lost more muscle than fat. On the other hand, person B is doing strength training and some cardio. So he is losing fat and preserving the muscle. So by the end of 1 month, he will look more leaner and tighter. So that is why strength training is essential. Factor 3, very important, protein intake. Protein plays a huge role in fat loss. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that high protein intake will help you to reduce belly fat and preserve the muscles. Protein इसलिए help करता है because it helps to keep you full, satiated, it prevents muscle loss and it also helps to improve your metabolism. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपका ब्रेकफास्ट चाय और टोस्ट है तो आपको बहुत जल्दी भूख लग जाती है, बट अगर आपका ब्रेकफास्ट एग्स, पनीर और योगर्ट है, दिस विल हेल्प यू टू कीप यू फुलर फॉर लॉन्गर because protein will help you to stay satiated and it controls your appetite. Factor 4, again very important and the most ignored factor, is sleep and stress. Poor sleep increases cortisol, which is the stress hormone. और जितना हाई लेवल ऑफ स्ट्रेस हार्मोन होगा, कॉर्टिसोल होगा, दैट विल लीड टू इंक्रीज्ड बेली फैट. रिसर्च फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ शिकागो शोज दैट people sleeping less than 6 hours, they store more abdominal fat, that is belly fat. For example, अगर आपकी बहुत poor sleep है, that is 4 to 5 hours, this will lead to high cortisol levels. इससे आपके hunger hormone, that is ghrelin, वो increase हो जाता है and you feel more hungry when you wake up. आपकी cravings भी बहुत बढ़ जाती हैं and आपके energy levels बहुत ज़्यादा decrease कर जाते हैं. And this is the reason your fat loss journey becomes more harder. And the last and the super important factor is consistency, factor 5, because this is where most people fail. People tried detox drinks, crash diets, extreme workouts for 10 days. But fat loss doesn't work like that. Healthy fat loss is 0.5 to 1 kg per week. So if you are someone who is losing 20 kgs in 8 to 9 months, वो sustainable है. But अगर आपने 10 kg in 15 days किया है, this is not. So what actually works? So the real formula is calorie deficit, strength training, enough protein, good sleep and consistency. Do this for months and years, not days. And the belly fat will reduce. Remember, there is no magic exercise for belly fat, but there is a smart strategy. Train your whole body, eat well and be consistent. And if you want structured workouts and nutrition guidance, then I conduct online sessions. All the details are there in the description below. If this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye.